well.
Mazel.
We're now at RFG. Rob's doing mini quad things. I just cut this pipe up here in the, you see the muffler? Look, it's separate from the pipe. So as per standard procedure, we're gonna start it up to see what it sounds like. No muffler. Well, although that doesn't sound too bad, and when I did have a LS, a 5.3 new body style truck, I just cut the muffler off and left it like that because it does have a cat, so that does, it's not like, you know, just straight piped fully. But I do, I've liked how this truck is quiet as comparison to all my other vehicles. So I don't want to go full crazy with it. Just want to have some sound. So here we have this. This is the exhaust that was on the Sonic Stang. Bought it from a local guy, Brad. This is obviously just one bank, but this is where it connected to the headers via like a big clamp. So now that the muffler's off there, I don't know if you noticed, but there's a hanger right before where the muffler went. So the pipe is supported from, you know, to the cat back portion basically. So what I got to figure out is where to cut this so that this ends up being, I hope you can maybe see in here where this hanger is, because then I'll just use that hanger to hang the edge of the, or end of this exhaust right here, and that'll be that. So I'm gonna finish removing the old exhaust from the truck and we'll start test fitting this, make a mark, cut it with that. We have this coupler, down sizer upper, that goes here, and then this should be close to the size of the pipe that's under there. So starter?
Oh, no, gas is pouring out of the carburetor.
Oh, great.
Because it's the needle is sticking. These things have been sitting, haven't been driven in a couple of years.
You'll have that.
I think it's stopped now. The needle was probably just stuck.
In the seat.
Needle and seat. Yeah.
Bucket
Needle
seat.
and the seat.
The old exhaust is off right there. So we have this mocked up. Still needs to be cut shorter, but yeah. Now we have to do some figuring here. So we ended up getting the other muffler, just happened to be here. It has the right side thing and things, and I figured it out and I cut it, and then now Rob's just burning her in here because we don't want to turn out like the Sonic Stang downpipe. I did a modern art project over here.
No, it's abstract art.
Abstract?
You know he's gonna cut this out.
So?
So what? You know, people say these things are junk, these made in China, these are Geo brand, whatever. And I've had these for I don't even know how long, and I've never had to do hardly anything to them, and they always run and work.
Rob just finished Zeusing on the hanger here, which I harvested off the stock exhaust because it fits the rubbers better and ended up being longer and working better. But it's ready to go in. This is all welded, this contraption here, which, you know, it's always nice when you can slip fit things together. Makes the welding easier. And this is gonna slip fit right onto the existing piece, and there's a hanger right there on the truck. So we're gonna call that good for now because the welder can't reach outside. So basically I'm gonna throw this on, slip it on, and we'll start it up and get to hear what it sounds like. And it's probably gonna blow out a bunch of rust, but that's part of the effect. All right, so here's the final product. I could have slanted that, you know, this could come out a bit when I final weld it, but for now I just wanted a bunch of engagement over here on this slip fit. So there's about 1.5 inches, you know, it's probably about to here. So I can slide it back when I weld it, and that'll kind of solve that. But there is a hanger right here, so I mean, this is super solid. It's not going anywhere, it'll be good enough to get home. So let's start it up. All right, typical exhaust clip video. This guy walking to the ignition, take one. I'll get some driving clips later, but exhaust complete. Sick. I've always wanted to do this since I had these spare mufflers from the Sonic Stang, and every V8 should have some sort of exhaust, right? Yeah. That gives you guys somewhat of a sense of what this truck sounds like with this setup. I mean, it's a pretty basic setup. You can also tell I do beat the crap out of this thing pretty constantly, but it's great for that, as are all OBS Chevys. Yeah, I don't know. For this, it sounds great, and for you people out there just looking to do something on the cheap, yeah, you'll be super happy with this. If you straight pipe it, it's a little obnoxious, and you get a lot more like shitty sounds kind of coming through, you know. But yeah, ever since I put the muffler on this truck, I've started liking it a lot more again. So renew your love with your vehicle as well, and make it really loud and illegal and stuff. So see you later.
Heartbeat of America.
Because I don't think I can get out of this thing worth a shit. Nobody can, so, you know.
Turn of a baba schnapper rubber. But the chud of batches. Compache chuncha watcher watcher. Catch a shit. Schmeggle what the fuck is it? Did the weed that change of what you hate of walking? Ranji Chadaba.